What is up, guys? Happy New Year and welcome back to another Instagram tutorial. Today, once again, we want to look at a PlayBoi Carti look. This is the picture he posted on his Instagram and you guys requested this a lot. Now, I figured how to recreate it using your smartphone and the free Lightroom app as always. And of course, also I've created a preset on exactly this look on my website. The link is under this video in the all presets pack with over 150 presets that you could just easily paste to every one of your pictures. Most of you guys already know it, already have the all presets pack, so you can start working with this preset right now to save you some time. The rest of you, I really recommend that pack because every time I create new presets, make new videos, they're automatically updated to the all presets pack. So you just have to buy it once and you'll get new presets every week. I think it's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notifications bell as well to not miss out on any of my future videos. Now, if there's anything you need from me, any questions you have, as always, feel free to DM me on Instagram. @Wommack is my handle, and I'm really excited to hear from you guys. And I hope you had a great start into this new year. Let's really hope this new year brings more possibilities, just kind of more change for every one of us. And I hope you have a positive 2021. Now, I've said enough. Let's jump right into this tutorial. The first thing we want to do, of course, is open our picture in the free Lightroom app. So we open the app right here. Now, I've chosen this picture because it comes super close to that PlayBoi Carti inspired setting. Even though we don't have a white backdrop and no red hair, we're gonna get this as close as we can. So the first thing we want to do in the lights tab is go to curve on the upper right side and then that red, green, and blue circle on the left. And then I want you to recreate this curve as it is right here. So the shadows on the bottom left side, we pull them down all the way almost, and then create that really steep S curve towards the upper right side to the highlights. And once you have this copied as it is right here, we are done. And now we just want to pull down the exposure a little bit to negative 0.45 right here. The contrast I'm gonna boost up to plus, all the way in this case to plus 71 right here, and boost up the shadows right here all the way to plus 100. This is something that PlayBoi Carti does a lot, those boosted shadows in his pictures. And then the whites we want to boost up as well to plus 65 or 66. And the blacks we want to pull down to negative 43 right here just to increase the contrast. Then we're done here. We go over to the colors, and here we just want to pull down the saturation all the way to negative 51 right here. Scroll up, hit mix on the upper right side, and now bring back the saturation for the red tones to plus 42 right here. The orange tones, what you want to do is pull down the hue to negative 43. Boost up the saturation a little bit to plus 13, and now you can really see we get that red skin tone that we want. And the luminance, we want to pull that down a little bit to negative 12. The yellow tones right here, we want to pull down the saturation all the way to negative 100. Green tones, same thing, saturation down to negative 100. Aqua tones, same thing. Blue tones we're not going to change, but the purple tones, saturation down to negative 63. Pink tones, same thing, saturation down to negative 64. We're done here. We go over to grading right there. And now for the shadows, we just want to leave the hue at 0, but boost the saturation a little bit to around 35 right here, just to increase those red tones in the shadows. The mid-tones, we want to pull the hue to 21 and boost the saturation up to 5. And for the highlights right here, we want to pull the hue all the way to 80, around 85 right here, and the saturation up to 48 in this case. And then we're done here. Now we go over to effects, and here we want to pull down the clarity to negative 27, boost up the dehaze to plus 33 right there to really get that crisp back into the image. And now once again, go crazy on the grain here, boost that up all the way to 82 maybe to really get it grainy. And now just the last touch that we're going to do is go to the details, soften it out by boosting up the noise reduction to around 37 and the color noise reduction to 38, and we are done here. And now this is it, guys. Here's a little before and after, and I think we come super close to that PlayBoi Carti inspired look. Even more if you zoom into the face and you can really see that grainy part. So what I would recommend is take your picture, do the edit or insert the preset, whatever you want, and then zoom in later and cut or crop the image to a new crop so that we come in really close. We kind of mess up the quality a little bit and really make that grain show in the face and in the shadows and come super close to this PlayBoi Carti look. This is something that he does a lot on his images, is really boost up the shadows and then bring a lot of grain in there and then kind of zoom in to make everything look a little blurry or kind of messed up even. I think it's a really creative way of editing your images. So I hope you had fun with this tutorial. I had a lot of fun creating it for you. And once again, I've also created a preset on exactly this look on my website. The link is under this video. In the all presets pack with over 150 presets that you can easily paste to every one of your pictures. So make sure to check that out. And of course, if you have any questions of any type, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StephenWommack is my handle. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel as well and hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future videos. Now, once again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting, for loving this channel, for subscribing, for making that past year a really great year for me in terms of this channel. That's all to you, and I really have to thank you once again. Let's keep going. Let's make 2021 a better year for everyone. Thanks so much once again for your support. I'm really grateful. I hope I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay creative, stay healthy. Peace.